Hi, I'm Jeremy. Today we're here at Motor Sportsland. We're going to be looking at the East to West Alta 2870KTH bumper pull toy hauler. And first off, you can see the nice aesthetics on the outside. You have your Asdel fiberglass sidewalls, your great big awning out front here with the LED light strip, solid step stairs. And as you come around here, you'll see that you have a nice outdoor kitchen area, little cooktop, and then the little fridge. Your baggage doors have the magnets on them, so it's nice to hold it up. On the side here, you have a little storage compartment, pretty tall and nice storage. You can put a collapsible ladder, put all your stuff in there. As we come around to the front, you'll see this nice painted fiberglass front cap, and it's got the LED light strips on it. You have your battery boxes back here, your propane tanks, and your electric jack on the front. So that makes it nice and easy. So when you're hooking up, you don't have to crank anything. It's just really easy and nice to use. It also has a light on it, so you can hook up at dusk or at night. All right, as we come around here, you'll see that this nice slide is the bedroom slide for the bed, nice king bed. You have the slim rack system on that slide system. Under here, you have your MPS Yamaha generator. It's a 6,000 watt. You got your exhaust right here. Your electric jack buttons are right there. So it makes it really nice and easy. So when you're just putting your landing gear down, just push the button. You have your water system here. So the hose runs up through this little hole. And then you have your hot and cold shower, your city water connection, and your fill for the tanks. Makes it really nice. Your poles, your dumps are in here, nice tucked away up inside. And then you have your power, your light, so when you're dumping at night or dusk, it makes it easy. Tankless water heater, so you have instant hot water and constant hot water as long as you have water in your tanks or until you fill up your tanks. You got your ladder here on the back. They have it nice and tucked up tight against the side of the trailer. You pull these pins and that comes down. Your other electrics jacks for the back. And then as you see, when we're coming around here, you have a nice patio. That ramp gate turns into a patio. You have your play pin that goes around it to keep kids from falling off, pets from falling off, and makes it a nice little area to hang out, especially with the awning over the back with the LED light strips. So if you get a little bit of rain or something, you can still hang out here. And you have the nice 3-season doors, which you'll see more of when we go inside, so that you can keep those closed. Or leave the screen open so you can still have a breeze. Makes it really nice. As we come back around to the front here, you'll see these little ports right here. This is a venting port. So like if you pull your machine in and it smells a little bit like gas, you open these up, that lets all those fumes out. They added this little door right here so you can still access stuff, gas can, tools, whatever, just throw it in here. So nice little access point. Your fuel station right here, and it'll tell you like how full your fuel tank is. Now let's go check out the inside. Here we are inside, and you got a nice aesthetic to this trailer. It's very beautiful in here. You have your table, you have your couches that do turn into a bed, your nice recliners. So these just fold down. They'll just roll forward and fold all the way down, so that makes it a solid bed. And those are your supports, the legs to hold that up. This bed up here, actually, it'll drop down to about halfway. And so then you have 2 full beds right here. Or these can go all the way up. And then this is all your cargo area for your toys, your 4Runner or your 4x4s, side by side, stuff like that. as you can see, the nice patio doors in the back there, all these nice LED light strips and 12-volt lighting in here. Makes it really nice when you have solar on this. So the solar will trickle charge your batteries up and keep all the 12-volt stuff running. The only thing it doesn't run is the AC and the microwave, but you can always do something to make that happen. So you can do bigger battery banks, you can add more solar, you can do a bunch of stuff, but we can go into that later. Let's transition into the kitchen. Here we are in this beautiful kitchen. You got your microwave, your hood, your 3-burner cooktop stove, oven, tons of drawers, plywood box kitchen drawers, nice cabinetry, 12-volt fridge. This is your Furrion 12-volt fridge. It's really nice. Cools down super quick. I want to say within an hour. Not like the other gas electric fridges would take 8 to 10 hours or longer. Nice solid surface countertops. So these are the upgraded countertops. Really nice feature in this unit. I love how easy it is to clean, makes it really nice. Again, tons of cabinet space. You have your TV up here, radio, more drawers, cabinet space, silverware drawer, storage underneath the sink, deep stainless steel sink with your cutting board on top here. Your cup cleaner makes it nice. You just flip your cup over, push it down, sprays water up into it, cleans it, residential style faucet. This thing is just beautiful. Let's check out the bedroom. Here we are in the bedroom, and as you can see, it's a nice, pretty good sized bedroom with a nice big king bed. This king bed's on a bed slide, so this will actually come up and fold over when you bring this slide in and you're not using it. And then when you put this out, you'll just fold this down, and you can tell it's pretty thick, nice size mattress. You also have the fully laminated sidewalls in the box. You got nice storage in here, nice cabinet space, drawers, more cabinet space down here. They try to put the heat vents in the walls and anywhere other than the floor where possible. But again, all your electrical stuff, your nice big storage. You got your closet in here with the motion light, hanging space, foldable space, some stuff up here if you wanted to. Nice counter area right here. More storage. This one's just amazing. Let's check out the bathroom. All right, check this out. So you enter the bathroom this way through the hall. And then you also have access through the bedroom area. You have your barn style door in here. Nice big shower. I'm 6 feet tall and I got plenty of room to the ceiling. Nice curtain to close, keep that water in. Porcelain style toilet, so you have all your residential cleaning products can be used to clean. You have your medicine cabinet right here. Nice sink. Your powered fan. Nice little bathroom. All right, before we finish up, let's check out that back patio. So you come out here and you open up these 3-season doors. Nice sliding 3-season doors. Come out here and you have a nice patio. Like, I mean, I would want to hang out here while, you know, the kids are out playing or the husband's out taking the 4-wheelers and you just want to chill and hang out. This is a great place. All right, well, that concludes the East to West Alta 2870KTH toy hauler. My name is Jeremy with Motor Sportsland. If you like this video and you like our content, please like, subscribe, and share, and come down and see me. Let's check it out.